I decided to stop trying to please everybody else, but do what I wanted to do and be myself and speak my truth. So I did the act and looked the way that I wanted to look. In 2011, I was on a show called Australia's Got Talent. I was runner-up on that show. I came second. It was the highest rating show in Australia. 3.1 million Australians tuned in. And when I decided to be my true self, I had success. From there, I had my own TV shows, international touring, books, etc. So if there's one key takeout I can leave you guys with, it's be yourself. Whatever that is, whatever your passions are, that's how you truly become a leader. Not by ruling with an iron fist or by force, but leading by example, by being yourself, embracing it.